started yet?
No.
Okay,
Started.
lovely. So about the boot camps. So basically, boot camps में होता क्या है कि 3-4 months की knowledge or even more like coding boot camps में what they do is they condense 6-7 महीने की knowledge into very small duration. So like whether it's something about any domain, so they'll teach you from zero to a very good level of knowledge. So similarly, we've like last year in 2020 we did a 1 month long event named as Flock, where we taught guys the skills from in web development, then machine learning, data science, and Android app development from zero to a project. Like everyone made a project. We had like 250 projects in our hand, so we did it that way. But this year we figured out that we didn't really wanted you guys to invest that much time into a single thing, that is maybe webd or data science or anything. Rather we thought we should give you a good perspective of all kind of fields out there, uh, because there's tech, of course there's tech in V80. There's a lot of tech that you guys gonna go through, so we want to give you that as well. But along with that we thought we should give you a very wide perspective, in the sense that we'll tell you about freelancing, we'll tell you about LinkedIn, we'll tell you about internships and stuff. We'll tell you about non-tech or semi-tech fields. So semi-tech fields are basically tech industry की fields हैं, which are high valued in the sense high salaried, but they are non-tech. That is, you don't have to do hardcore coding, but you should have an understanding of tech. So those kind of fields we thought we should tell you about. Then of course there's tech. So similarly, in the bootcamp fashion, with so much intensity, we've planned a bootcamp for 6 days. Just 6 days, 3 days for each thing. Starting from 25th January, we have technical. So in technical, we have web development. Then we have product management. So product management, I'm only taking because I feel I have quite a lot of knowledge in product management. I've cracked a lot of internships in my second year itself. So, and those were all paid internships, quite good offers. So product management, I'm teaching from zero to an internship level, in the sense that after the boot camp, you don't have to learn anything about product management. You just have to work on your project and resume to get an internship. Then we have career development, where we have a speaker from IIM Rohtak. So she's gonna be teaching you about LinkedIn and how to get jobs from LinkedIn, how to network with good people. She has like 13,000 or so followers on LinkedIn. So we've called her up as well. And then finally, I really wanted to include something about the new upcoming these blockchain tech thing. So we've included crypto trading, cryptocurrency, and NFTs. So crypto is something where you have to invest something of your own, but we thought NFTs we could do, where you could actually make your art and sell your art as an NFT. So things like that. So we have four speakers, four really good speakers, 12 sessions, only 12 sessions, 6 days, and yeah, that's pretty much of it. We are planning it from 25th to 30th. So 25th, 26th, and 27th, we have the first two domains every day, 3 hours in the evening durations. And then 27, 28, 28, 29th, and 30, we have the other two domains, again 3 hours. So that is how we've planned the bootcamp. It's gonna be very intense, in the sense that you will be taking in a lot of knowledge in just those you know 6 days. So like at least 4 months of knowledge, easy 4 months of knowledge you're gonna get on this those 6 days, and you are going to understand it. the best thing is you are going to understand it. I mean, you can check the previous events of Code Academy. You can check my previous events. They're on my YouTube channel. So we make sure of the quality for sure. So that is how we've planned the boot camp in the manner that it's enjoyable, but again, it's intense because बहुत कम time में we have to give you a lot of information. So 25 minutes session, then 5 minute का break, then 25 minute का session, 5 minute का break, then 15 minutes का Q&A. So that is how. तो वो 6 दिन का बहुत ही intense रहेगा, but you will learn a lot. So और classroom fashion में नहीं है. It's very unconventional type. Everyone you will find over there talking in Hindi, giving very weird examples all over. So that is what we've planned. We've kept a small fee of, we earlier kept it as 500, but 500 rupees because we are paying the speakers and everyone. But then we kind of kept it for outside VIT students, and for VIT students, we did a 400 rupee fee. But then also, some of you guys were having some, like, I found out that it was a little more than what you guys expected. We also sent a survey form that how much fees would you like to pay, and everybody chose 600 or 1000 rupees ke beech mein. So we kept it 500, but then we reduced it to 400 for VIT students. And also what we did is, if you are able to contact any core member, any core team member, they can give you a group discount. So for 7 people, I don't know. Bhavyangana, what's the group discount?
Yeah, so it's around 290 285 or 290 rupees if you register in the group per person. So it's almost around 300 if you register in the team. So if 7 people come in together and register, then you'll have to pay less than 300. Otherwise, you can pay 400 as an individual person.
Yeah, so it's
And for
more or
that, you
less.
have to contact any of the core team member to get that particular form for the team.
Yeah, I mean, the generic form, that is the 400 wala, it's available on all the channels, on our WhatsApp groups or on the Instagram as well. But for this special discount, core team members, say you contact them and they'll guide you through that. They'll form a group and they'll do the payment and everything. So because we actually, what we do is, we, for the core team also, we separate quite few seats. So after that, we had like 75 seats left for other people. So we had to keep it invite only for some duration. And that is why we didn't also send a mail. So, Harsh, to your question, that is why there are a lot of people in VIT Bhopal, like more than 1,000. I don't know. 2,000, 3,000 students are there in VIT Bhopal. We send one mail and it gets spammed. Like all our Google Forms get jammed up. And we actually cannot cater that amount of students for events like these, where there's one-to-one interaction. So yeah, this is about the boot camp. You can definitely, in the group, you can find in the Code Academy groups, you will find anyone from the core team if you want to register in a group or something like that. Or if you are alone also, you can just ask someone in the team, and they might be having 3 4 people already, and you can get added with them. So that's there. A message for the core team members. Uh, you guys do not have to like make the payments for right now. We'll send you another links where you have to register these guys. So that's the thing. So this is about the bootcamp, guys. You can ask us on the WhatsApp groups more about it. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So uh, yeah, any questions about the bootcamp? Anything?
Yeah, you told the dates, but could you give a brief detail about the timings
It's
so that
going
it
to
will
be
be
evening timings only, like
evening time,
around 5 to 8 or something like that.
5 to 8? Okay.
Yeah, like mostly around that time. We'll not have it between our classes or anything. Or maybe even more late we can do, like 6 to 9. If classes remain till 6, then we can have it over there.
Yeah, most probably I guess 6 to 9. So because it's very hard to find timings, that do not clash with classes. Um,
Or
but
we
we
can
also
even
had to
split
do.
it. We can do it the other way also, like pre-dinner one session and post-dinner one session. So that can also be done.
That way we'll be able to, I guess,
Yeah.
accommodate.
Yes.
But like that's not an issue, I guess. We are not hardwired on the timings. Uh, that's on the dependency of you guys. Like when do you guys have the classes and all that stuff. So that depends. Like we'll get to know once the FFCS happens that if people are having their classes till 7:30, then we'll have to think something else. Pre and post dinner, as Bhavyangana said. So yeah, if you have any doubts about the boot camp, you can definitely ask. We'll just wait for 5 minutes for the boot camp doubts, and then we'll just talk as usual.
Are there any certificates for this course?
Yes, there are. There's a special certificate, the boot camp wala certificate. There is, if you're asking that. But there are a few like limitations on that. You'll have to attend the boot camp. It's not
Every
like
single session, yeah.
yeah.
And then there are any projects also
Uh,
Not really
projects.
projects.
that we have to make after the boot camp to get the certificate.
No capstone project for the boot camp. You just have to attend the boot camp. Although there will be questions, and like we have a lot of questions that we'll be doing on the third day. Yes, on the third day or on the 6th day, depends. So you guys would have to do those questions.
How many hours in a day will it be?